everybody. Today we are making Halloween hash. That's right, and this is going to be a perfect dinner right before you send your kids out to trick-or-treating. Or send your kids out trick-or-treating and then you eat it yourself. But the recipe is down in the description box. And let's get cooking. Okay, we have a 5-quart Dutch oven. Take the lid off. And we're going to add 1 pound of ground beef and 1 whole chopped onion. This was on the fairly large side, but it doesn't matter. Just add a little bit more onions to the recipe. And we're going to chop this down. We're going to cook this beef up real good with the onions. Okay, we're pretty much cooked down. Now see the grease? We're going to take this off the burner. We're going to strain it. We're going to put it right back in this Dutch oven. Okay, we have it strained. I have the heat on low. It looks fantastic now. Most of the grease is out of there. Now we're going to add a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. We're also going to add 12-ounce of frozen corn. 12-ounce bag. And a can of kidney beans, rinsed, drained, get all that paste out of there. We're going to give this a mix. This is going to cook down for an hour at least on low, and just let this turn into a thick, almost like chili, but it's not chili because there's no chili peppers. All right, it's been about an hour. Oh, look at that. Just a nice stir. Just look at that. So it took an hour. You can leave it on a little bit longer. You got time to go trick-or-treating and come right back. There it is, Halloween hash. All right, let's try it. Yeah, this plays out like almost a chili, like I said, like a stew. This is very nice on a cold night, such as Halloween, if you're in the north. But you don't have to make it like this. You can add anything you want. I mean, you can even add pasta to this. I think elbow macaroni would be a nice addition to this. And you can add some more vegetables. You don't have to have corn. You can add mixed vegetables, string beans, whatever. It's basically ground beef and some vegetables with tomatoes, kidney beans. It's a nice hearty mix. Yeah. So enjoy your Halloween. Until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.